What is up, guys and gals? This is Brandon. Long time no see. If you're watching the Motor Nubs channel and you're new to the channel, welcome. I was kind of, like unofficially keeping this under wraps, but I guess with the current circumstances, I probably, it doesn't even matter anymore. But I did have another car that I was planning on doing for 2019. 2018, the Integra just kind of got beat to death. I still have the Integra. It's, waiting to get tuned, that kind of thing. But I just wanted another project, something a little different. And so I had a foxbody. Originally, I had bought this foxbody from a friend, Mitch. He hooked me up, got me a good deal on it. Then I had sold it to my dad, and he had just, put it away for a couple years, not really done anything to it. And then just recently I was like, hey Dad, let's fix this thing up, and let's get it back running, and maybe turbo it, or just do something fun. It's originally a 4-cylinder Fox body, and I mean, none of this matters now though, because he just called me, and this is just to give you all a little bit of reference. Like, there's like 8 to 9 inches of snow everywhere. I'm in North Carolina. We don't get snow like this ever. Once every 5 to 10 years. But I had it underneath the shelter over at his place, and the shelter collapsed, he said. So I haven't even seen the car. I don't know what condition it's in, but I'm just gonna go ahead and assume the worst, and assume that I'm gonna need to find another chassis for 2019. Is it possible that it could be saved? Absolutely, but we don't know till we go and check it out. So yeah, bear with me, and I'll see you guys here in a second. Oh man, it don't look good. Wow. I don't want to go up underneath there in case any of this lets loose, but let me walk around. Body wise, just to give you all an idea, there was like little to nothing wrong with the body on this car. The roof's caved in, the door's caved in, yeah. That's, dang. Like, the whole purpose of this car was because it had a great body on it, to start working on it and put a motor in it and fix it up. Wow, man, I'm just super bummed. There's also a bunch of other stuff up underneath there. Mine wasn't the only casualty. My dad's got he's got a race car up underneath here. I think he had another race car on the other side, but this whole thing just collapsed. And I mean, it's got this is like metal framing. I don't know what in the world happened here. It's just, yeah, he had a couple. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's my race car. So yeah, my race car's underneath there too. It got crushed. It doesn't look like it took as bad of an impact because it's got a roll cage in it, but it still did get hit pretty good. I don't know what's underneath this side. Oh, another race car got collapsed on. Wow, man, this sucks, but oh well. I mean, it is what it is. Luckily, this side has not collapsed. I talked to my dad. I think we're gonna go ahead and pull the camper and stuff out of here because we don't want anything to actually. We don't want this side to collapse on it. That would, just make a bad situation worse. But well, it is what it is. I think this, you guys comment down below, give me your opinions on the Mustang. My friends are already like, hey man, we can, cut the roof line off and fix it and put a new roof on it. I just don't think it's worth it. It was worth it, you know, doing stuff to the car when the body was in perfect condition. But I mean, here, let me just creep under here real quick. Oh, look, it's busted all the glass out. Look at the roof, front windshield, pushed the door out of alignment. This whole thing is trashed. I mean, there's some good parts on it still, but the quarters actually are good. But other than chopping it up, I don't think it's worth it to fix it. So there it is, the 2019 Motor Nubs project right there, crushed. Hopes and dreams crushed. So comment down below, guys, what do you think should be, hold on, let me flip this camera around. My dad came down and we walked around to the other side. We're on the supposedly safe side, but it got this one. And then I was looking over here, he's got this old drag car, and he was like, well, this one looks pretty good. And then we look, and it got the trunk on this one, trunk and tail lights and stuff. It just mangled it, didn't it? Yeah. Look at that. That snow rated. I think it's